type maintenance is required weekly and quarterly with a GrowBlock. So the weekly maintenance is adding water on a consistent basis. We will send you text reminders for adding water so you don't forget. You also want to make sure, as part of your weekly routine, you want to make sure that your plants don't have any yellowing or dead leaves, and you want to remove those as soon as possible. Quarterly, it's a 10-minute check to make sure that your reservoir is free of debris, plants, or roots. And also the backs of your towers are free from any debris or obstruction. And make sure your plants are properly maintained, which means harvesting regular intervals so your plants are outgrowing the system itself. Have more questions about home hydroponics? Visit us at produceforall.com at our Educate page, where we answer all questions about hydroponics.